Hello guys, so welcome to KU tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular kitchen over here. So let's select this. I'll select the bottle again and let's give a shell modifier to give a bit of thickness to it. Convert to poly. Let's select the polygons. So I'm going to select the inside polygons and I'm going to use the grow option over here. So let's select the grow option. So once you have selected this, let's go into the material. I'll take a V-Ray material and let's assign some color for the food over here. Let's give a bit of reflection to it, slight glossiness. Let's assign it. Control I, inverse. I'll remove this part. Again I'll go into it and I'll take a glass material, assign it, and I'll give a bit of IOR as high, that is 1.8, and let's give some color. If you want to give some color to the glass, that can be assigned. Again select the top and let's give a brownish color. And let's assign it. So let's again go into this and let's render and see how it's going to look like. You can just render it. And I'll go into this and I'll slightly reduce the refraction, not reflection. Go into this. For the liquid, slight refract, and slight reflect. So I'm going to add a bit of reflection as well as refraction. So refraction, I'll just make it as black only, that would be better. Okay. So this is from a far distance, so I'm not going with very high details. So I'll just make a copy of it. That can be done. Now select this. I'll just mirror it in x-axis, no copy, in this way. Again mirror it, x in x-axis. I can just drag it inside. Select this and we can give a bit of a copper or any kind of a material if this is visible in the screen. So if you want to assign any copper material, that can be added over here. So let's go into this. Let's go into the diffuse. Let's go into the color and I'll add some color for the copper. And Also color for reflection. Our glossiness, I'll make it as 0.8, and Fresnel IOR, I can make it as 10 over here. Max depth, keep it as 8, and let's name it as copper. So if you want to assign material of copper for these handles, you can assign the same material. So let's just assign a copper material over there as well. So we have assigned this. Again, I'll take a copy of it and let's rotate it. Make it as 90 degree and let's snap it, rotate it so as you want. So different types of handles can be created. So according to your needs, you can just do that. I'll slightly resize it, shift and drag it, and again I'll make a copy of it. Again drag it over here in the same way. So I'm just slightly making it different. So the scene should look filled over here correctly. So I'm just placing it and go to the top view and set it accordingly. Again I'll make a copy of it. Alright. So we have all the drawers only. So alright, this looks better. I'll again save the file once again and let's render it. Shift F, show save frames, and let's render it once and see how it's going to look like. That's everything of copper. So whatever colors or whatever materials we have assigned for this cabinets, no, not that. I think I have to move a bit up. Okay. We don't have reflection. Slightly we can add some reflections over here. Slightly add some reflections. That looks better. So select this. You can add a wooden material. So you can just add again a V-Ray material and let's go into this diffuse bitmap and add a V-Ray wooden material. can be added. Cannot find any. Okay, we got it, but alright, let's apply this. Let's give a color to it and slight reflection, assign it. Let's go into this and give a bit of a roughness material. So diffuse roughness, I can add a bit of roughness to it and bump to normal. That's a normal map for the map, or we can call it as a normal map. So all the same, so let's assign it and let's give a UVW map. Same for this. So I have added a UVW map as well. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So I'll slide. You can just render and see. So thanks for watching this tutorial.